Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install TradingView charts for stock watchlists. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To install TradingView charts for your stock watchlist, start by visiting the TradingView website. Create an account if you don't have one already. Complete the sign up process by verifying your email. Once logged in, navigate to the chart section on the main dashboard. In the chart area, locate the watchlist panel on the right side. Click on the plus button to add stocks to your list. Search for the stock you want to add using the search bar. Select the stock from the drop-down list and click Add to Watchlist. Repeat this process for each stock you want to include. To customize your charts, select a stock from your watchlist. Adjust chart settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. Choose your preferred chart type, such as line, candlestick, or bar. Set your time interval, which can range from 1 minute to 1 month. Add indicators by clicking on the Indicators button at the top of the chart. Search for and select the indicators you wish to use. Drag and drop them onto your chart for an enhanced analysis. To save your settings, click on the Save icon in the upper toolbar. Consider creating multiple watchlists for different sectors or strategies. To access your saved watchlists, return to the watchlist panel and select the appropriate list. Utilize alerts by right-clicking on the stock within your watchlist and selecting Add Alert. Review your alerts in the Alerts panel on the right. Remember to explore additional features and settings to maximize your experience. Your TradingView charts and watchlist are now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.